baby. What is the flower? What is kind of flower?
It's like a cactus.
You have in your country?
Succulent. No.
I've also, first time I see this. First time I see
It's
this.
a bromelia.
Huh?
Bromelia. Tropical.
It's pinball maybe.
No, no. Has got
Oh, they have a...
yeah, has got spikes there.
Yay.
Bromelia. This we have in country, I think. Oh no. Similar.
First time. Wow, very peaceful, very quiet place. This one,
Relaxing.
yeah, relaxing. Relax. At night, go out.
Shells.
Yeah, but we cannot bring the shell. Oh, baby, oh, yes. Oh, this indoor plant?
Yeah.
Wow.
That tree we have. That tree.
It is almost there, you see. This is flower. Yes, yes, baby. Okay, so malapit na siya. Mamukad-kad. Huh? Bill flower, Myanmar. What do you call this in your country?
Reina de la noche.
Rena. Do you have a bee?
Yeah, insect.
Rena
De la noche.
de la noche. This flower is called in Myanmar Reina de la noche. Sit there. You can sit there. Oh. You can sit there. Careful. Yeah, with the Christmas tree. Yan ang itim na namin, guys. Wrong. Nagtry siyang magpuso-puso, guys. But mali. Ito yung part sa amin. Napakatahimik na lugar. Malapit na siya mamukadkad. Diba? Parang nasa Amerika na tayo, guys. You can make barbecue. Grill. Oh. Tara, let's go. You want to go down there? You want to go down there?
Yeah, you can go down there. Be careful.
I think, be careful, baby. Be careful. Hold me. Watch your head. Here, baby, here. Don't dare here. Near me. Sabi niyo near me. Oh, there's stock room. Ang ingay niyo, dinig pa dito. Mga anak ko dun. Hoy, ang ingay niyo. Dito sa kabila may terrace. Ah, meron din pala sa atin. Diyan kami sa kabila. Wow, may more. We can walk there, later.
Okay.
Cyrus. Oh, may amor, what is this, baby?
A palm tree.
Ah? Palm tree, guys. First time I see this, baby.
Palm tree. Me too.
Oh,
Yeah, with seeds.
careful your hand. Oh, palm tree pala to, guys. Oh, baby, oh.
Yeah, new flowers. It's a flower.
Oh, guys. Upstairs. Uy, Ringo.
Really?
Ha? Maganda?
Oh, may aso silang dala.
Ringo Rio.
Rasid. Stock room. Rasid. Hiya, Rasid. Rasid.
Rashid!
Rasid.
Rashid, oh! Ayan!
Rasid. Rasid. Hinahanap niya.
Lamig! Tukay lamig! Rashid, oh! Nakamami na, oh! Hello! Hello!
Hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
Lamig!
Rachel said cold. Cold. Your Papa Victor is normal. Well, let's go, baby. Go back. Go back there. You go inside. Almost.
What are you doing?
Go inside.
Yeah? You go back?
Or you want walking there? Birthday?
No, you cannot go there. No, but you can.
Yeah, can. You want go there? Later.
Nothing later.
Not now. Tomorrow.
No. Oh, this is gravel.
Just
Why you don't walk the back?
Oh, baby. Nice house also.
Another beautiful house.
Mm.
A bit different, no?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. The roof.
Yeah. Do you have a third floor?
Yeah.
We are at the first floor. Guys, you see the sound?
Yeah, that's the crow. Crow.
Nobody occupy here. Here,
Big one.
please close. Second floor. Huh?
Expensive. Yeah.
How much?
Um,
7?
20, 27?
No, 17.
Or 17. Ah, 27.
Because holiday season. Oh,
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
okay, you
They
even
ate
guys.
rubbish.
They can bite you.
No.
Oh, amo.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Maybe it's food then. Yeah,
Ang
they're
daming ano
they're in
dito.
big groups. Yeah.
These are birds.
Bird. Yeah.
Scary, baby.
It's watching on there.
Security guard.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's another.
Oh.
Yeah. They like to be together.
yeah. Pili and Victor together.
Mm. Of course, together.
Mm.
Phil and Victor together.